Good day! For today's experiment, we will be discussing a basic laboratory skill, and this is important specifically for volume measurement, and this is pipetting. For today's experiment, we will be needing the following materials: a serological pipette, an automatic pipette, a colored solution and distilled water, an aspirator bulb, test tubes, and rack. For the procedures for manual pipetting, make sure that you carefully check the pipette before use. Be sure it is clean and dry and without chip or broken tip. Now hold the pipette near the top in vertical position. Immerse the lower tip of the pipette below the surface of the fluid. Dip enough to make sure that there is no air present. Now using the aspirator bulb, draw the fluid above the calibration mark. Avoid bubble formation. Wipe the excess fluid on the outside of the pipette with a clean cloth. Now set the volume to 0 mark by gently controlling the flow of the liquid with the index finger. Make sure that the pipette is held in a vertical position while setting the liquid to the calibration line and during delivery. Please do remember that when reading measurements, if it is a colored solution, read using the upper meniscus. And for colorless solutions, read using the lower meniscus. Now with the tip of the pipette against the side of the container, allow the fluid to drain up to the desired volume. If the pipette is calibrated to blow, the remaining fluid in the tip is blown out. After successfully transferring the liquid, return the pipette to its original place with the tip facing upward. And there you have it, the manual glass pipetting. And now, we will be demonstrating how to do and use the automatic pipette properly. First is to check the pipette for annual calibration or periodic maintenance. Now choose the correct automatic pipette, the one nearest the desired volume. Next, select the correct plastic tip of the automatic pipette. Properly attach the plastic tip by not holding the tip at the end. Now set the required volume before measurement. After which, lock the knob to secure the volume setting. Correctly press the piston up to the first stop or pause. Now place the tip into the solution and release the piston properly to draw the sample or solution into the disposable tip. Now transfer the sample or solution properly by placing the tip on the inner wall of the receiving vessel and press the piston to the second stop or pause to allow the sample or solution to drain. Dispose the tip of the automatic pipette by automatically ejecting into the waste receptacle. And there you have it, how to use your automatic pipette. I hope you did learn something new today.